Welcome back. All right, so let's go ahead and let's take a look at how we can put this into columns here. So what you should do is you should copy this exact item here, and it's going to be 6 columns. And this first one's going to be overflow hidden, hidden, and then it's going to be the width is 1,000 pixels. And then the next is going to be margin 0 pixels, 0 pixels, auto. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to padding, 30 pixels, 30 pixels. Okay, so nothing has changed quite yet. The next thing we need to do is we're going to do the same thing. Is going to be 6 columns. And make sure it's number sign, and it's going to be column 1. Okay, column 1. And in column 1, we're going to go float left, and then it's going to be width 300 pixels, and then lastly here is going to be margin right 50 pixels. Now let's take a look at that here, and you can kind of see that it's sort of starting to work out. So let's copy and paste this in a couple more times. Let's change this to 2 and then to 3 as well. And remember, these are the IDs that we set up in the HTML. I'm going to delete both of those two and change this to right. And that's pretty much all we need to do. So if we kind of zoom out here, you can kind of see that they are there. Now we're going to be fixing this problem in a second here. But all we need to do is we need to add in the other columns here. So how do we do that? Well, I'm going to copy all of these columns here. And the way this works is that think of one row, and then the next row is going to be the exact same CSS here. Except I'm just going to change this to 4, 5, and then 6. There we go. So that pretty much wraps that up. You see we have a nice little logo in there, and you can see that the columns do indeed work. This concludes the tutorial.